Hello everyone, welcome to pharmacheminsights. Today we will learn how to prepare a 0.1 normal potassium dichromate solution, a primary standard solution which is widely used in titration of reducing agents. So let's get started. What is potassium dichromate? Potassium dichromate is an orange crystalline compound. It is a strong oxidizing agent and can be used as a primary standard because it is stable, pure and non-hygroscopic. However, it is toxic, so handle it with care and always wear gloves, a lab coat and safety goggles. Potassium dichromate is commonly used in redox titration and it provides 6 electrons per formula unit, that is K₂Cr₂O₇. The molar mass of K₂Cr₂O₇ is 294.18 gram per mole and equivalent weight is 294.18 divided by 6 is equal to 49.03 gram per equivalent. Now let us see the calculation part. So here is the formula. Weight in gram required is equal to normality into equivalent weight into volume in ml divided by 1000. So by putting the values, normality is 0.1, equivalent weight of K₂Cr₂O₇ we calculated 49.03 and volume we are preparing is 1000. So by calculating this we get 4.903 gram of K₂Cr₂O₇. So what are the requirements to prepare 0.1 normal K₂Cr₂O₇? Let's see. So we want potassium dichromate, analytical grade, distilled water, analytical balance, glass funnel, volumetric flux 1 liter and glass rod for stirring. Here is the step-by-step preparation of 0.1 normal K₂Cr₂O₇. First, weigh accurately 4.903 gram of potassium dichromate using an analytical balance. Transfer the solid to a clean beaker and dissolve it in about 200 to 300 ml of distilled water. Stir until fully dissolved. Transfer the solution into a 1 liter volumetric flask using a funnel. Rinse the beaker and funnel with distilled water, adding the rinsings into the volumetric flask. Make up the volume to the mark with distilled water and mix thoroughly. And that's how you prepare a 0.1 normal potassium dichromate solution. This solution can be used directly for titration without further standardization because potassium dichromate is a primary standard. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. And also show your support in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you once again. Bye.